Hello all, welcome to our channel. So today we discuss topic about that how we can create for display ads targeting for my website traffic purpose. So display ads majorly will be focused about that YouTube text to overlay ads, which website approved by the Google AdSense. Their website also will be shown to the particular customers. So that will be help to the audience how you can recognize to the website traffic purpose and everything. The majorly display majorly purpose of you can show image. People will be click this in a particular ad purpose. Suppose I'm clicking here, anyone, the ad will be show for large screen also. How it is showing for like this. This is nothing but image. Nothing but image. When you click for learn more, they go to your particular website. This option will be given to the particular customers. Now, how we can creating for the particular display ad? First, select the campaign. Display ad will be totally, they are dependent by the four goals: sale, leads, website traffic, product and a brand consideration. Sorry, into awareness also. Coming to this, awareness will be given to this. Total five, they showing for sale. You can see campaign type display, leads, campaign type display, website campaign type display, awareness, campaign type will be display. In the total five, the four will be supporting for display. I have to go option name is called brand awareness and reach. There is a brand awareness and reach. When click here, now they show build a brand recognition with the compiling visual ads that show across the web and choose to pay only when your ad are viewed. So usually people will be reaching for like any offers, others brothers, JC brothers, any kind of shopping malls. That ad will be more awareness and reaching purpose. Select this goal option. Display, add your website. Here will be given continue. Start new. This display will be called awareness and reach. People know about your business. That is called awareness purpose. So it is called here. Just I'm going to refresh. Now, first of all countries and terrorists, nothing but you have to go for all countries or any kind of places. Only India. I'm talking right now is only India. You can selecting for item all languages, individual languages, but right now I target only for English. First of all, location. Second will be language. More setting. Any ad rotation, schedule dates. Suppose I can run the ads will be Monday to Friday, or Monday to Tuesday, or Monday to Wednesday. Any particular schedules. Device nothing but show all devices or specific devices. Computer, mobile phone, tablet. So what are the operating system? What are the device? We can target by any specific device also. Suppose we can target this display will be only for iOS users. Suppose this will be iPhone purpose. So you can target by the iOS user also. So compulsory is the interview question. So what you can targeting display ads, particular computer, tablet, and mobile phones, and a particular mobile device also. Yes, we can target on the display ads. Next for more option. And campaign URL, any extension URL, display ad extension, start date, end date, any specific campaign, starting date, ending date, any conversion purpose, and content here. So conversion is nothing will be here. Choose conversion action for this campaign. Select conversion. Here is a conversion we had to create previously. The conversion will created by the in this option will be here. In this go to conversion option, create the conversion plan. I'll show the how to we can conversion the plan. Select it. Your conversion will be targeting where, purpose, phone call lead, website lead. Select here. There is a multiple online sale, link click, page views, sign up, app, install, in-app purchase, in-app action, phone call, call for ads, call to your number on your website, click on number on your mobile site. So already you can create a website already done. So that it will be created by the option is a website lead. Save it. So use the account level including conversion settings. So any option as you wish, which is comfortable, we can create it. So before conversion, you can create the campaign. Conversion easy. When you click the conversion will be any particular, add the website domain, scan and save and continue. Suppose copy, paste, add page load on your conversion action. You can will be, what is this? Add and add conversion manually. Anything you want, you can conversion by manually, or else save and continue. This simple option will be given here. So this code, enter the website code, and email instruction will be sent by email also. Check connection. So right now we don't have any connection with the different will be a particular website code. So that is a major option. So clear, click for more setting. What option will be needed? You can add the particular options. Conversion is important your displayed. That depend on your campaign, we can converting will be conversion will be tracked. Next, budget selection. Daily budget already I'm selected 5,000. Yesterday in the video, we are selecting will be 500 is a budget minimum. So we can go with 400 also will be accepted. But minimum budget will be go for any ad or ads. That minimum budget is the 500. This will be viewable impression, other optimized option, conversion. First of all, we target about the CPM, cost per mile, nothing but 1,000 impression. Cost per 1,000 impression, it will charge your particular budget. The CPM value is, I can click for 150 rupees. Is accepted or not? Is accepted. In the accept of 150 rupees, the based on budget, impression will be given by the 78,000 to 1,60,000 impression. People watching for this particular ad, 78,000 to up to 1,60,000 impressions. In this, how many conversion? They can't give the conversion rating. Now they will be reaching audience. 78,000 will be confirmed. In between range of 78,000 to up to 1,60,000, maybe 1,50,000, maybe 1,20,000, maybe 80,000, depend on the your impressions and budgeting strategies. Let's click for next. So if you're changing budget, any changes, 120 rupees. 91,000 to 1,90,000. 100, suppose. 1 lakh to 2 lakhs change. The range between 14 rupees to up to 45 rupees. The amount of CPM. Every 1,000 impression I give budget will be 100 rupees. Next. Ad targeting. Any particular segments, demographic, keyword, topic, and placements. Placement theme, but in your display, you can target any particular channels. For example, I play my video. This personal handling for video will be targeting from my channel, Amit Parak, Business Success Coach. So in this, they kind of any particular step ads in display that we can target any particular channel. That option will be called placements. This is only for awareness. We can reach from audience. We target for website, YouTube channel, YouTube video view also. This video majorly focused by the trending channel videos will be target. So there is a we can for the trending videos, the channel will be target the particular placements option. Okay, next ad targeting. Demographic segment, keywords. Demographic nothing but age people you can target. That. See, based on that, that is option will be change. Next option. This is called ad creation. Ad will be responsive display ad, upload display ad, and a copy display ad option. So this will be selecting for responsive ad. So here we can go to this add image. This is a particular image uploading here. The image uploading sizes are, I'll intimate you, follow the sizes. One size will be, note down, 200 by 627. Please make a note. Second thing will be, size will be 1080 by 1080. Third one, 600 by 750. Depend on sizes, the user will be, option will be selected. One is called 200 by 627, 200 by 627. Next, 1080 by 1080. In this, which is ratio suitable, you can select it. It's not suitable. Next, logo. Logo selected. Save. These are the selected. Now show image will be in a particular ad. This ad visible by the image ad, text ad. How we can show the text ad? This will be. This will be native ad. This all display will be which website approved by the Google AdSense. The website showing file will be here. Google properties headline. So we can go for headline. Next. So here is everything is correct. Business name. These ads are will be shown to the particular customers. See the ads. Text up. Mobile. So what are the query can select by here option. So they will supporting for in the particular headlines will be total 5 headlines. Each headline will be 30 characters. Description will be supporting for total 3 description or 2 or 5 description will be changing. The 5 description, each description will be 90 characters. And long description will headline will be there. This is called 90 characters. Please make a note. Title will be 5. Each title will be 30 characters. Description will be total 5. Each description will be 90 characters. And special headline will be also will be 90 characters. Finally, click for create ad. So how many ad you can create your question mark? We can create n number of ads. Finally, click for next, and it is going to option name is called publish campaign. Any one mistake, the publish campaign will be not visible to the particular users. Finally, click for publish the campaign. If it's eligible, they show eligible option will be compulsory show to the customers, the particular campaign. So I'm selecting for campaign total, which is campaign I'm creating here. That is the eligible campaign. Awareness and reach, ad group. There is a particular ad will be created here. So that will option will be create in your particular future. So those option will be created for the display ad purpose. Display already I'm saying which webs approved by Google AdSense, they are visible by the display ad. Second thing will be YouTube channel. Third will be your mobile apps. So this will be created by here. What are the changes you want? You can change anytime when you're running the campaign time. But after review, they show to the particular users. These are the particular ad to the show to the customers. Text with the image, text only, text with the image with the this is a button, this is a open button option. There's three. Anyone we can query, you can open this one and open for incognito window. This is visible to the particular users. Image ad, text ad, native ad. Please note down. Display will be creating will be three variant. Image ad, and we can come into this text ad and native ad. So any further question about the display ad, that only will be targeted by the audience, and they're looking for any particular future, they will be supporting in a future, they can keep it in mind, and they promote content will be different YouTube channels, and that will be promoting for the Google AdWords with the display network. We can target for the referral websites to the generating traffic on Google AdWords will be work to the increasing for business leads purpose. So if any query, you can ask me to my channel. Like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.